Hi, and welcome to a review of the Learning Object Introduction to Statistics. My name is Tracy Guild. Introduction to Statistics was created for college-level learners in an asynchronous online statistics course. Traits of the target audience informed the design of this learning object. For example, many college-level learners experience math anxiety, which can get in the way of learning. By discussing and normalizing math anxiety and by giving strategies to help, this learning object supports our target audience learn. Additionally, our college-level learners are a wonderful and diverse population with great differences in level of academic preparation entering college-level courses. It is important to build self-efficacy in the design to help learners persist with the learning object. This is done using frequent low-cost opportunities to practice the learning via knowledge checks. Including images of diverse learners in the learning object helps students persist by showing them that they belong and are welcomed and valued. This is important for a just, equitable, and inclusive education. Our learners are also diverse in abilities. This design prioritizes JEIE values by creating a learning object which can be navigated using a screen reader. All clickable commands have keystroke options and audio components are click to play. A needs analysis of our target audience informed the learning objectives for this product. 4 learning objectives were identified. With these objectives in mind, the design focused on building introductory statistics knowledge for our target audience, including lessons on each of the topics identified in our learning objectives. This lesson covers the topics and have been designed using 2 primary instructional strategies. Integrative learning theory and cognitive load theory are the primary instructional strategies used in this design. Integrative learning theory contends that when learners make connections between topics and across experiences, they're able to apply learning to novel tasks and come up with creative solutions to problems. Also, adult learners have a wealth of experience to draw upon to help them form understanding about new topics. This learning object utilizes previous experience and encourages thinking about solutions across varied contexts. Cognitive load theory teaches that the number of elements on a screen matter to how well a learner can attend to and understand a lesson. An element on a screen includes all text, images, buttons, tools, audio, etc. If there are too many elements, this is an overload to the learner's cognition and the lesson will be ineffective. This learning objects purposefully limited the number of elements so that the learner can focus and attend to the lesson. The visual design and layout of Introduction to Statistics purposely tried to put the learner at ease by mimicking natural settings. The color palette included sky blue and grass green with a lot of open space and natural imagery. The backpack icon represents the learner's journey in education and is meant to convey feelings of curiosity and adventure. Imagery attached to lessons and questions convey a sense of nature and the outdoors, and the questions and context relate to these images. The font used is one that already is used in math equations for consistency and ease. Both formative and summative assessments were used in this learning object. By letting students test their understanding with formative assessments while they learn, this course provides immediate customized feedback within the context of learning. The final assessment included 10 questions worth 2 points each and were designed to broadly cover all the topics in the lesson. To pass, the learner must get a 70% correct.